This episode demonstrates how to build a windproof snow cave shelter in a harsh alpine blizzard. A climber guides viewers to pick a sheltered hollow, clear debris, dig a domed chamber, and seal the entrance. In a real scenario, a trekker recalls snow collapse on a partner, then the compact cavity saves warmth and breath. Experts stress layering, sealing gaps with pine boughs, and testing air by slow breaths while the wind rages. The episode ends with a yard drill to reproduce the shelter, record results, and refine techniques for winter survival.